These are my bakery style brown butter chocolate chips cookies. They are so soft, chewy, and absolutely perfect. First, we're going to brown the butter. This step is what gives the cookies that deep, nutty baker flavor. Keep stirring until it turns golden brown and you see little brown bits at the bottom. Once the butter cools slightly, I am going to be adding brown sugar and white sugar. Mix until smooth and glassy. Now I am adding the eggs one at a time along with vanilla. In a separate container, I am going to be adding flour, baking soda, baking powder, cornstarch, and salt. Now I am going to go ahead and add my wet mixture, and you want to gentle stir it in or fold it into the flour. Now I am adding chocolate chips. You can use semi-sweet, regular, or jumbo chips for that bakery style look. Now I am going to go ahead and scoop the dough into small balls and place them on a baking tray. Once you do that, do not flatten them. When you're baking, make sure you don't place too many cookies on the tray because they will spread while baking and need space. Instead of baking them right away, I am going to place the cookie dough balls in the freezer for about 15 to 30 minutes, or you can place them up to 1 hour. This helps the cookies stay thick and prevents spreading in the oven. Next, I am going to bake at 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes until the edges are golden but the center is still soft. These are absolutely delicious and I hope that you give it a try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more videos.